Hey guys, this is Misty 2001.
And this is FC7.
And today we're coming at you with a summer-ish drink. Keto Lemon-Limeade.
I didn't know that you could create a keto drink.
Yeah, it's really only 5 ingredients.
So the ingredients are listed up on the screen here.
Yep, 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1.5 teaspoons of lime juice, 4 cups of ice, 4 cups of water, and a half a cup of monk fruit sweetener, or whatever sweetener you decide to use. I don't like my drinks that sweet, so I only used a half a cup, but you can sweeten it to your liking.
So you don't have to use the monk fruit, you can use anything.
Yep. Yes, you're correct. As long as it has xylitol, erythritol, or stevia sweeteners in it. Actually, the ingredients that were on the screen was for 1 serving. So I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of lime juice. This is actually for a 2-quart pitcher.
So add the lime juice.
Yep.
And stuff is sour.
Glug, glug, glug. Yes, you're right, it is sour. The whole recipe is actually really sour without the sweetener. So then add 1/3 of a cup of lemon juice. And the lemon juice that I'm using, actually it's 2/3 of a cup, not 1/3. The lemon juice that I'm using is real lemon juice. So, and then
onto the sweetener.
Yep. And then this is where I used a half a cup. For 1 serving, you would probably want to use 2 tablespoons.
But you want to sweeten it to your liking.
Yes.
So just mix it up. And I think at this part you kind of tasted it to see if it was to your liking.
Yeah.
And I'm going to show that here in a second. Mixing up the lemonade. Lemon-limeade.
Yep. It was still way too sour. So that's why I decided to add another 4th cup.
Yeah. So here's the test cup.
Yep.
Testing it out.
Testing out a really good recipe. And actually, did you know that if you have a infuser, like a fruit infuser or a water infuser, I have a water bottle with a fruit infuser in it. You can actually do like cucumbers in it and all of that good stuff, but I chose to do strawberries. It actually adds a little bit more sweet.
That's the thing where you put the actual fruit in and then the water filters in?
Yep, you put the fruit in the little container.
So that's an alternate way of doing this recipe?
Yeah, if you want to add fruit to it. Otherwise, you can just add fruit to the bottom of the pitcher. And it'll turn out pretty much the same way. It just adds a little bit more sweetness to it if you don't want to add all the sugar.
Okay.
The sugars in fruit are natural, so they don't have a whole lot of carbs.
But in this recipe, we used a pitcher, and it is now complete.
Yep.
So any final thoughts on this?
Just sweetening it to your liking, but making sure you use the xylitol, erythritol, or stevia. You can also use the stevia drops if you don't want to use the powdered stevia.
Okay, so how close to real lemonade does it taste?
Really good.
Or I should say the lemonade made with sugar.
It's better, I think.
Okay. Well, that should just about do it for this video. Thank you everybody for watching.
Yep, and if you would like to, like and subscribe.
And we'll be doing more of these videos in the future. They're fun.
Yeah, they're very fun.
Testing out recipes. Okay.
Have a good afternoon, guys.